Hi folks, Travis Hacker with BigIron Auctions. You'll find an excellent lineup of low-hour, late-model equipment from 3B Farms on the March 31st auction at BigIron.com. Don't miss your chance to check out this equipment in person at the equipment inspection events. These events are being held in 2 locations on March 26th and March 27th from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Join us each day at 5335 East Fly Creek Road in Hardin, Montana, or at 4018 South Fork Cooley Road, St. Xavier, Montana. If you can't make it to the open house events, the seller's contact information is always listed on our site, so you can call and ask questions before bidding. The seller again is 3B Farms out of Hardin, Montana, and all items are up for bid on the March 31st unreserved auction at BigIron.com.